afternoon class. This is your core teacher and today's topic is types of sentences. By the end of this video, you will be able to name 4 types of sentences, identify these types of sentences, use correct end mark, that is punctuation mark, and create your own examples. 4 types of sentences: declarative sentence, interrogative sentences, exclamatory sentences, and imperative sentences. Now, in this video, we will learn in detail about these sentences. We'll learn the usage of these sentences and the end mark of these sentences, which is very important, which helps us to identify the type of sentences. Declarative statement gives you information and it ends with a period, a full stop mark. For example, the sky is blue, this is a pen, I love my dog. All these statements are giving you information. It is a sentence which ends in a period, it ends in a full stop. This is declarative sentence. Make 4 examples of these declarative sentences using anything. You can start with anything. I love, I like. You can use sentences like the sky, the wall, the book, the pen, the board. You can start with anything and make a sentence, and it ends with a full stop. It becomes your declarative sentence. Interrogative sentences. Interrogative sentences ask questions. They end with a question mark. Interrogative sentences inquire about something. If you want to ask something, if you want to inquire about something, you can make use of interrogative sentences. Say for example, where do you live? How old are you? And notice, we end the sentences with a question mark. And notice here the words that we have used in the beginning of the sentence. Where do you live? WH type words. How old are you? These are WH type words, but they are used in interrogative sentences, but you can ask questions without these words as well when you are asking rhetorical questions, that is, isn't it, aren't you types of questions. That is different topic, we can take it later, but for now, what are interrogative sentences? That ask questions and that end with a question mark. Exclamatory statements. Exclamatory statements show strong desire or strong feeling. Like suddenly when you want to say something, wow, how beautiful this is. We use exclamatory sentences to express strong feelings and desires. They end with an exclamation mark. For example, how beautiful this baby is. What a cute puppy. When we show strong feelings, we use exclamatory sentences to express our strong feelings. Imperative sentences. Imperative statements give command to someone to do something. We tell people to do something, they mostly end in a period, that is, they end with a full stop. Say for example, don't do this, keep quiet, don't talk to me, stay in your room until you finish your homework. All these statements have command, order or request. These sentences are used to make a request, to give a command, and they end with a full stop, that is, end in a period. Now check for yourself if you know that you are able to identify these types of sentences or you are still unable to do that. First sentence, exercise 1 is identify types of sentences. Sentence 1, how fast you run, with an exclamation mark. How fast you run. Guess. 1, 2, 3. The correct answer is, this is an exclamatory mark. We have seen the end mark here. Correct? End mark is exclamation mark. So this is an exclamatory sentence. Run fast. Guess. Run fast. 1, 2, 3. Isn't this a verb? Correct? This sentence tell you to do something. Of course, it ends with a period. So this is imperative sentence that tells you to do something, that gives you a command, that is asking you to do something. I'm going swimming this Saturday. I'm going swimming this Saturday. End mark is full stop. Guess. 1, 2, 3. Correct. You got it right. This is a declarative sentence. Do you want a slice of cake? Do you want a slice of cake? And this ends with an interrogation mark. 1, 2, 3. This is an interrogative sentence. So now you are able to identify the types of sentences. Now an exercise for you as homework. You have to write 4 sentences of each type. Declarative, 4 sentences of declarative, imperative, interrogative and exclamatory statements, and put it in the comment box. Bye students, see you in the class again.